Hey everybody, welcome to Enverion's video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about importing plans in PDF format. Of late, I've had a lot of questions on how to do that and also how to bring in the quality of the image. And so from the beginning, I do want to say that you want to make sure that the PDF document is of good quality. That's going to be the most important thing. And then when we jump into actually importing it, I'll show you how to bring in a better quality image. So without delay on this, let's go ahead and jump into importing a PDF format plan. The first thing we want to do is we want to access Tools. Let's go to Import. Let's go down to PDF Files. Once you click on PDF Files, it's going to open up a window to ask you where do you want to get this from, where are you opening it. I do have my plan set in a tutorial materials folder that I built quite a while ago. So I'm going to click on that and hit Open. And it's going to open this dialog box. Gives me a little bit of a preview so I can see what I'm bringing in. The bottom section is the important part. These are your import options. If it's more than one page, you're going to see, for example, one of 20. And then if you use the forward and back arrows, that will help you to sift through the different pages within that document itself. You can actually rotate from here. So if I click on my rotate button, I can rotate this around. And the other cool thing is we can actually crop it from here too before we even bring it into our canvas work area. So if I click on this, it activates the cropping, and all I need to do is left click and hold and drag across what I want to bring in. So I'm pretty happy with maybe this section right here and bringing that in. You can include any annotations or remove it by unselecting this check button. And then as far as the quality goes, you can do a standard quality or you can increase it 2 times. It does give you a little bit of warning. Using non-standard quality settings will increase the size of your TCP file as well as memory. Unless you're importing a small PDF onto a large plan, we recommend sticking standard quality settings. For this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on 2x. And then you can set it to, if you do check it off, scale to fit the diagram itself. At this point, I'm happy with what I got. I'm actually ready to import this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the import button, click on my import button, and I'm just going to drag and drop this into where I want it to be. And then I just did a left click to drop it into place. If you do select it like any other object, we got resizing handles all around here, so I can stretch and move this around and resize it right from here if I wanted to. If I wanted to spin it around, I can go to screen handles on the side, grab onto it, left click, and I can spin this around any way that I want. You can see I sort of move that around, and you can of course use the keyboard too, and then do a Control R, and that will also do the same thing for you. So this is really how you would bring in a PDF plan into RapidPlan. A few other things that you can do if you do a right click on this, you've got your sub menu that opens up. So there's certain things you can do. You can edit your image from here, some of the standard stuff you normally do see. You could also save this to your scratch pad if you wanted to. So some few other things that you can do besides just moving the image over, importing the image in. At this point, you can either use a layer, which we talk about in another video, and you can also start laying down other signs and adding on any type of text or anything that you needed to complete this particular plan. I hope this was helpful. Please take the time to watch some of our other videos. Thank you.